In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Meet events. It's a useful skill to have, whether you're planning a virtual team meeting, an online class, or just a casual chat with friends and family. Let's get started by opening Google Calendar. You can navigate to it directly through any web browser by typing Google Calendar in the search bar, or you can find it from your Google Apps dashboard if you're already signed into your Google account. Once you're in Google Calendar, you'll want to look for the Create button, usually located at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open up the event creation window, which is where all the magic happens. Here, you will start by giving your event a catchy name, something that clearly conveys the purpose of the meeting to all participants. Simply type in the name where it says Add Title. Next, it's time to schedule your meeting by setting the date and time. In the event creation window, select the day you want for your meeting. You can do this by clicking on the calendar icon. Next to it, you'll see options for a start and end time. Select the hours that best suit your schedule. Remember, it's important to consider the time zones of your attendees to avoid any confusion. After choosing your date and time, you'll notice an option to add video conferencing. Click on Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. This is a vital step because without it, the meeting won't have the video link that your attendees need to join. Google Calendar automatically generates a Google Meet link for you, making the process seamless and easy. Now let's move on to inviting participants. In the Guests section, type in the email addresses of everyone you wish to invite. Google Calendar makes it easy by allowing you to pull addresses directly from your contacts list. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you're inviting a large group. Before wrapping up, make sure to add any pertinent information regarding the meeting in the description box of the event. This could include an agenda, any documents or files that attendees need to review beforehand, or just a friendly note about what to expect. Clarity is key to ensuring a smooth meeting experience for everyone involved. Once you're satisfied with all the details, go ahead and hit Save. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to send invitations to your guests. Select Send, and voila, your Google Meet event is ready to go. All your invitees will receive an email with the meeting link and details, and you're all set for a successful virtual get-together. So, there you have it. Creating a Google Meet event is as simple as a few clicks and some essential information. With these steps, you can easily stay connected with your team, class, or loved ones. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy meeting!